Hi, I'm Jim, and this is our GenStone product. Before we started, this was a bare concrete wall with some orange staining on it from the red soil we have here in East Tennessee, and it has improved the look of our home greatly. It was easy to work with, and it looks really nice. You can see the corners wrap around nicely, and it all looks very uniform and natural. It was easy to work with. All I used was a handsaw to cut it. And if you're installing over concrete, I might give you a little tip. Put a little extra glue in the lower left-hand corner. That'll save you drilling some holes. But it's adhered nicely to the wall, and we're very happy with it. Even our neighbors said it was really nice improvement to the house. Anyways, thanks to the GenStone team for helping us with the project, and you have a great product.